Bangladesh is located in South Asia, bordered by India and Myanmar. India surrounds Bangladesh on the west, north, and east, while Myanmar shares a border with Bangladesh to the southeast. Additionally, Bangladesh has a coastline along the Bay of Bengal to the south. One of the interesting facts about Bangladesh is that it has a majority of Muslim population with around 90% of people following Islam. With a population exceeding 160 million, it is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Prostitution is legal and regulated in Bangladesh. Around 140,000 women are working in this industry, and about 10% come into this industry voluntarily, and the rest of them are sold into prostitution due to poverty. For more fascinating stories like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Kandapara is the oldest brothel in Bangladesh, which is located in the Tangail district and has been operational for over a century. Housing around 1,200 sex workers, the number can also go high as these areas have many underage sex workers. Many of these girls use Orex, which is a medication often used to increase appetite and weight gain, is reportedly used. It is sometimes given to sex workers to make them appear healthier and more attractive to clients. However, the use of such medications without proper medical supervision can have serious health consequences. The lives of these sex workers are often marked by challenges such as health issues, exploitation, and social stigma. Efforts to support and rehabilitate the women working in Kandapara are ongoing. Several NGOs and social organizations are actively involved in providing education, healthcare, and vocational training to help these women find alternative livelihoods. Initiatives also focus on raising awareness about their rights and offering legal support. Programs aimed at facilitating marriages for those who wish to leave the brothel life are also in place, although societal acceptance remains a hurdle. The goal is to empower these women with choices and opportunities for a better future. This country is also known for the highest rates of child marriage in the world. 65% of the girls in Bangladesh are married before the age of 18, and 29% brides get married before they turn 15. Families in poverty often marry off their daughters to reduce economic burdens. Dowries is illegal but is still practiced, since marrying daughters early can reduce the dowry amount. Girls are often seen as economic burdens or valued less than boys. In some areas, parents marry off their daughters early to protect them from harassment or sexual violence, believing marriage will offer security. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. The history of Bangladesh is rich and diverse, shaped by various civilizations and events. Ancient times saw the rise of civilizations like the Vanga and Pundra, followed by Buddhist and Hindu kingdoms such as the Maurya, Gupta, Pala, and Sena dynasties. From the 13th century, Islamic rule began with the Delhi Sultanate, followed by the Bengal Sultanate and the Mughal Empire, which brought cultural and administrative advancements. In the 18th century, British colonial rule began after the Battle of Plassey in 1757, integrating Bengal into British India. The partition of India in 1947 divided Bengal into West Bengal, India, and East Bengal, Pakistan, later called East Pakistan. The language movement of 1952 was crucial in asserting Bengali cultural identity. Tensions with West Pakistan culminated in the Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, leading to independence on 16 December 1971. The early years were marked by political instability and the assassination of founding leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1975, followed by military rule. Since the 1990s, Bangladesh has experienced a return to democracy, significant economic growth, and social progress. The Malm tribe is one of the largest indigenous groups in Bangladesh, primarily residing in the Chittagong Hill Tracts (CHT), which includes Bandarban, Rangamti, and Khagrachari districts. Of Tibeto-Burman origin, the Malm migrated from Myanmar centuries ago, carrying with them significant Burmese and Arakanese cultural influences. In Hmong tribe, if a woman is widowed, another man from the community steps up and marries her, but if the widowed woman has a daughter, the man will marry her as well when she turns older. The girl, who calls the man his stepfather, soon has to call him his husband as well. Only then will the men of this community marry the widowed woman. This custom breaks the bond between the mothers and daughter. What do you think about this tribe? Comment below and let us know. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. It is often known for its noise and pollution. The city's rapid urbanization and dense population contribute to significant traffic congestion, air pollution, and noise levels. Industrial activities, a high number of vehicles, and inadequate waste management systems exacerbate these issues. Despite efforts to address these challenges, such as improvements in public transportation and environmental regulations, managing pollution and noise remains a significant concern for Dhaka. The official and most widely spoken language is Bengali. It is the mother tongue of the majority of the population and is used in government, education, and daily communication. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and diverse, reflecting the country's cultural heritage and agricultural bounty. Rice and fish is a staple combination in Bangladeshi meals, with dishes like ilish bhapa, steamed hilsa fish, and chingari malai curry, prawn curry in coconut milk, being popular. Bangladeshi cuisine is known for its use of spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Dishes often feature bold flavors and a mix of sweet, spicy, and tangy elements. Dishes like bhuna, spicy meat curry, aloo bhorta, mashed potatoes with spices, and shorshe ilish, hilsa fish cooked in mustard sauce. Accompaniments like roti, flatbread, and paratha, layered bread, are common. Snacks such as samosa and fuchka, puffed rice balls, are enjoyed as street food. Sweets are famous for their richness, with treats like rasgulla, sandesh, and mishti dough, sweetened yogurt, being popular. Bangladeshi cuisine emphasizes freshness and regional variations, with dishes often reflecting the local ingredients and culinary traditions. Bangladesh offers a range of fascinating places to explore. Sundarbans is the world's largest mangrove forest and home to the Bengal tiger. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers unique wildlife and scenic waterways. Cox's Bazar is known for having the world's longest natural sea beach. It's a popular destination for sunbathing, swimming, and beach activities. Sylhet is famous for its tea gardens, picturesque landscapes, and natural attractions like Ratargul Swamp Forest and Jaflong. Rangamti is a beautiful hill district known for its scenic lakes, particularly Kaptai Lake, and tribal culture. Dhaka, the capital city, offers historical landmarks such as Lal Bagh Fort and Ehsan Manzil, vibrant markets, and cultural sites. Paharpur is home to the ancient Buddhist Vihara at Paharpur, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its archaeological significance. Bagherhat is known for the historic 60-dome mosque, Shat Gumbaj Masjid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site showcasing ancient Islamic architecture. Bandarban offers stunning hill landscapes, including the highest peak in Bangladesh, Tejindong, and beautiful spots like Nafkhum and Remakri waterfalls. These destinations highlight the diverse attractions that Bangladesh has to offer, from natural wonders to rich historical sites. Healthcare is a significant issue in Bangladesh. Many healthcare facilities suffer from inadequate infrastructure, including a lack of modern equipment and insufficient medical supplies. The quality of healthcare services can be inconsistent, with some facilities providing high-quality care while others face issues related to overcrowding and under-resourcing. Many Bangladeshis face financial barriers to accessing healthcare. Out-of-pocket expenses can be burdensome, particularly for low-income families. There is a shortage of trained healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses, which affects the delivery of care. Bangladesh faces challenges related to infectious diseases, maternal and child health, and non-communicable diseases, which require ongoing public health efforts and resources. Efforts are being made by the government and various organizations to address these issues, including increasing healthcare funding, improving infrastructure, and expanding health services to underserved areas. Bangladesh generally has a lower crime rate, but crime does occur, particularly in urban areas. Common crimes include petty theft, pickpocketing, and occasional violent incidents. While violent crime is less common, it can happen, and travelers should remain vigilant, especially in crowded areas and large cities like Dhaka. Petty crime, such as theft and scams, can be more prevalent in busy markets or tourist hotspots. The monthly rent in Dhaka for a basic apartment can range from $200 to $500 for a one-bedroom in a decent neighborhood. In upscale areas, it can be higher. In cities like Chittagong or Sylhet, rent is generally lower. You might find a one-bedroom apartment for $100 to $300 per month in good areas. Local transportation like public buses is generally inexpensive, with fares ranging from 30 cents to $1 per ride. Taxis and ride-sharing taxis start around $2 to $3, with ride-sharing services like Uber or Pathao having similar rates.